Shanghai Alu offers several types of aluminium alloys in its list of available manufacturing materials. Two of those alloys are especially well-suited material and options for CNC machining, whether milling or turning: Aluminum 6061 and 7075. Aluminum 6061, low cost, small weight, big flexibility, fabulous erosion resistance, and prevalent appearance after anodizing. Aluminum 7075, high quality, hardness, low weight, erosion resistance, and high heat resistance. Aluminum machined parts are widely used in automotive, electrical equipment, household appliances, mechanical equipment, hardware industry, and so on. Shanghai Alu takes pride in our machining ability with fast turnaround time. If you are looking for any aluminum CNC machining supplier, you can reach our team, and we make sure to give solutions within 12 hours. Our capabilities include CNC milling, CNC turning, precision grinding, wire EDM, laser cutting, welding, etc. What you can expect here is long-term and stable quality. We promise 100% quality guarantee for all projects we made, whether it's big or small. Shanghai Alu is dedicated to developing sustainable and long-term business relationships. Whether you need prototypes, small-scale production, or a large-scale, turnkey project, our CNC machining team has the right experience to make it done for you.